DOE is now subscribing the price increase limitation. May limit na tayo, may minimum na tayo sa rollback, tapos may maximum din tayo sa price increase. So both ways. Pag rollback siya, dapat kung 24.95 yan, dapat yung rollback could be equal or more than the 24.94. So pwede siyang maging 25, pwede siyang maging 26, pero hindi siya pwedeng 20 lang. So kailangan sundan ng oil companies. Yun po na-announce din ng presidente ng Friday yan. So pero pag increase siya, pag sinabi ng DOE na 10 piso lang halimbawa yung increase, hindi siya pwedeng sumobra. So that's our new rule now. That's because of the issuance of the EO 110, which triggered the additional powers of government to prescribe the price during these times of emergency. Ang second na issuance ng DOE is concerning the storage. On the storage kasi what we are mandating to all oil companies, kung may available sila na storage capacity at hindi nila ginagamit, they need to report that to DOE so that PNOC can utilize the available storage, because unfortunately the government does not have its own storage for oil, or wala siyang depot, so we use the private companies depot or storage para malagay natin doon yung additional na binibili ng PNOC na diesel, para ma-store natin doon at ma-secure natin na may buffer tayo na maayos.